Number 10 says, what is the inevitable that the author of passage 2 refers to in line 98? So looking at that line, it says, actually we'll start at the beginning of that paragraph, so line 93. On the other hand, it is utterly false that love results from marriage. On rare occasions, one does hear of a miraculous case of a married couple falling in love after marriage, but on close examination, it will be found that it is a mere adjustment to the inevitable. So, the inevitable is a word that we know means bound to happen. So, she's saying that in rare cases, couples fall in love after being married. However, she's saying that it's not because they're married that they're falling in love. She said that they're just bound to fall in love. It's not the marriage that's making them fall in love. So looking at the answer choices here, A then says, the fact that married couples all fall out of love eventually. So she's not saying that. She's saying that if you're in love before you get married, you're in love. That marriage is not going to make or break you. Whatever would have happened anyway, regardless of the marriage, so A is not going to be our answer. B says, the fact that the couple is already married for better or for worse. So yeah, that is what she's saying. She's saying that if you're married, it could eventually end in you falling in love, but you would have fallen in love anyway. So B is definitely a distinct possibility for us here for the correct answer. B says, the fact that marriage is an inflexible social convention. So yeah, we know that she thinks it's conventional, but that's not what she's talking about with the word inevitable. So you want to pay close attention that even if an answer choice might be true and might be the opinion of the author, you want to make sure that you're actually answering the question at hand, and this one doesn't. So C is out. D then says, the brevity of life. So brevity is the same root as abbreviate or brief. So brevity means shortness. So the shortness of life, that's so broad. This whole thing is about marriage and love. We're not going to broaden that specific sentence into something like that. So D is out. And then E says, the idea that love conquers all. She's so not saying that. That is way too positive for her. So E is also out. And our correct answer is B.